Hello. After a very cold night last night, temperatures will really struggle throughout today. In fact, some areas might not reach above 0 degrees. If you are brave enough to step outside this morning, these are the temperatures at 7 a.m. You can see we're still below freezing for many areas, so a very cold start to the day. And because of that, we do have some ice and snow warnings in force for parts of Scotland and many eastern areas of England too. That's because showers that have fallen overnight or yesterday may bring a risk of icy stretches to any untreated roads. We'll continue to see some showers still falling though across the west, particularly across the Irish Sea coast, and we could see some snow across southwestern Scotland as well as parts of Cumbria, but mainly over high ground. Elsewhere though, it will be a fairly dry morning and afternoon. The mist and fog that will have developed overnight across the south and east should clear, but it could stay murky for quite a few hours for some areas. In the north and east, where it's been quite cloudy and a bit miserable for the past week or so, we will see a much brighter and sunnier day. But despite the sunshine, it will still be feeling very cold. Some areas still below freezing by this afternoon, but in Edinburgh, for example, only 1 degree by 4 o'clock. You can see though in the west things are changing a little bit. Temperatures are slowly going to rise through the afternoon. That's because our wind direction does shift to more of a westerly direction, but that brings with it a risk of some showers through the afternoon here. And this evening those showers will push further inland, and as they bump into the colder air across the rest of the country, they bring a risk of some snow to the high grounds of Wales and the Midlands and possibly parts of Lincolnshire as well. There's some uncertainty in the details of this, so it's worth keeping up to date with the details through the day on that one. As a result, through the night, because there's a lot more cloud across southern areas, that means that temperatures will hold up a little bit higher. So there's a lower risk of seeing any frost across many southern and eastern and western areas. In the east, though, however, it is going to be another very cold night, a sharp frost forming once again, particularly across the far northeast, where we could get down as low as -10 degrees tonight. So another very cold, crisp start to the day on Sunday across much of Scotland and northeastern England. Further south, though, it's going to be a bit of a different day, quite a lot more cloud around and possibly some rain as well. As that rain comes into the colder air, again, it does bring a risk of some sleety hill snow, but there is some uncertainty in the details of that one. It will still be a slightly warmer day across the far south with highs of around 9 degrees in parts of Cornwall. Still very cold, though, across parts of Scotland. Now that rain across the south is expected to continue to move eastwards throughout Sunday evening and into Monday. There's some uncertainty into the details of the shape of this low pressure, but it's likely that it will bring some heavy rain to some areas, potentially some sleety snow as well. It's worth keeping up to date with the details on that one, and you can do that by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Have a lovely day.